is to 1, but price is to.
Well, once again, did you understand the question?
Okay.
I can't be bought, but I can be stolen with a glance. I am worthless to 1, but priceless to 2. What am I? Especially teenager people, they involve in it. You know,
Those
किन्न
mean
सकिन्छ हैन
glance.
तर मलाई चोर्न सकिन्छ ग्लान्स भनेको हेर
glance means look. Look, okay.
Look.
Look. Yeah.
I'm worthless to
I am
1
worthless
but
to 1, but priceless to 2. What am I?
हैन
What did you say?
ड्युटी
Duty. No, it's not. It's not duty.
सर म त्यतिको भने I can't be bought but I can be
किन सकिन तर चुन्न सकिन्छ
love
Yes, love. Yeah, definitely love. You got the love there. Okay. I can't be bought. Love can't be bought, but can be stolen with a glance. Yeah. Love at first sight. I will listen that. Love at first sight. I am worthless to one person. No value of love. For the love, 2 persons are needed there. Yeah? So, what am I? That is love. Absolutely. You got the answer. So, anyway, students, we are only 6 today. Yeah? How many we are?
6
We are only 6. I think day after yesterday we discussed about someone is stealing your life. We discussed that. Please mute that, okay? Your audio. Please mute your audio. Mute your audio so that you can listen to me. Okay, now fine. So there is one question. In which way does Ventura think most Americans lack power in the workplace? That is the question of the lesson. Someone is stealing your life. Anjali, you missed the class that day. The essay is about employer and employee. When every company, when they provide some job to the employees, employees are highly exploited. They are not given good salary. So that is the essay we discussed. I think I sent the summary of that lesson as well through the page, Facebook page. I
Yes,
hope
sir.
all you copied that from there.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the summary. Now from that lesson there is one question. This question is frequently asked in board exam as well. In which way does Ventura think most Americans lack power in the workplace? Okay, lack power means, look at the answer. We can elaborate in 3 lines. Okay, we can elaborate in 3 lines. They take orders like slaves. Workers are treated like slave. Slave means, what is slave means?
Servant.
Yeah, like servants here. Very servants. No authority over what they do. Means workers, they do not have any authority. They are really become powerless. And their labor skill and talent are not valued monetarily. Means their talents, their work, their labor cannot be valued properly. They are not given good amount. They are not given good salaries. They are not given good benefits. So little share in company profits. They are not given good profits of the company. They are given very less profit. So they are highly suppressed. They are highly dominated. So we can describe these 3 lines for the answer of that question. Okay. If you write these
In
3
which
lines,
way does Ventura think most Americans lack power in
Power
the
in-
workplace?
in the workplace, please copy the question.
कपी त क्वेसन स्क्रिनशट हान
Yeah, your book might.
Okay. Copy the 3 lines. Okay. Okay. Copy 3
सर
lines.
त्यो थर्ड लाइन को एक्सप्लेन गर्दिनु त
Little share in company profits.
कम्पनी
When the company gets profit, the workers are given very little profits.
मीन स्यालेरी
Yeah, no. Besides salary, profits there. What do we say? We say bhatta there. Yeah, in Nepali bhatta. They are given very little one. They are given very little one. When the company gets on ample amount when company goes very high profit, but the workers gets very less amount, less profit. They get very less profit in comparison to their boss, in comparison to their owner of the company. But workers, they do very hard work for the company. Workers are the lifeline of the company. If no workers in the company, then company cannot gear up to develop the company in the progress, to earn highly in the company. Who are necessary? Workers are necessary. So that is the problem. Little share in company profits. So that's why Ventura, she focus on that. American people, American boss, American company owner, they provide very little share in the company profit. So that's why they are stealing their worker. Someone's life means worker's life. No, they are stealing that. So did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Please copy that, okay?
Office is running, sir. Okay, daddy.
Is there power outage at your house?
Sit pink रही.
Did you finish that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, only.
Okay, fine. So we have a next lesson, next essay we will discuss. Our schedules, ourselves. Before starting into the lesson, I like to inform you that we are reading new direction book. This new direction book consists of 5 units. The first unit, intercultural communication, we have already finished, and second unit about education, that is also finished. Third unit is about mass media and technology, very interesting one. We have already gone through that. And fourth lesson is gender roles, and fifth lesson is work. In fifth lesson, in fifth unit there are 7 lessons. The first one is American Dreamers. Second one is Someone is Stealing Your Life. Now third one is Unit 5. Third lesson is Our Schedules, Ourself. Unit 5. Third lesson is Our Schedules, Ourself. Now in Unit 5, every lesson is about work. Working, about workers, about employees, about employers. What are the benefits workers get? What kind of problems workers get? All the essay and stories and poem, they indicate about work there. So in the same way, now we have third lesson here. The topic, the title of the third lesson is Our Schedules, Ourself. So it is also interesting essay by J. Wall Jasper. J. Wall Jasper.
Always says are interesting.
Interesting.
Yes, sir. You can, yes, while writing summary, you can say very interesting essay, very beautiful essay, very attractive essay. You can say. You
Is it
can.
necessary, right?
Oh yes.
Gosh,
So anyway,
English is okay.
so why people, Susmita also unable to come. She is just here. Okay. I think power is outage there. Yeah. In your house there is a power outage.
No, sir.
No. Oh yes. So before starting into the lesson, look at our schedules, ourselves. Can you tell me what is the meaning of schedule? Someone say I have very busy schedule. Another say schedule is that. What is schedule means? Can you tell me?
Timetable.
Oh, timetable. Yes, you are right.
Timetable.
Timetable. Yeah. Our timetable ourselves means we have to manage our timetable by ourselves. The topic wants to say that, as a worker and as a office worker, as a banking worker, as a company worker, we have to manage our timetable by ourselves. But nowadays, modern people, they have very busy schedule. They have a hectic life. Hectic life we will discuss here. So hectic means, H-E-C-T-I-C, hectic. We need to understand one term here. Hectic. Hectic means very busy days. People, they
Busy
forget
life.
their personal freedom. They want to earn a lot, but their personal life is really damaged. They don't have much time to their family. They don't have much
Live there.
time to their parents. All the time they have busy schedules. Here our schedules ourselves is busy schedule is there, no free time. In the essay, the writer J. Walls Jasper focus about please you should have free time, enjoy free time. But you people have, yes, okay, someone is there. Okay, Susmita is joining with us. Welcome back, Susmita. So, okay, let's copy that first of all. In this essay, the writer advocates for the free use of time. Yes, I have told that people have busy life. They roam here and there, they wander here and here in purpose of doing work. They have very less time for their family. Life is uncertain, but in uncertain life, we need to have some time for their family as well. Nowadays, look at here, COVID-19 here. So, due to COVID-19, all we are just sitting with our family member, with our parents. I think COVID-19 is providing some moment with our family as well there. Yeah? It's really a pandemic disease. So, although it is a pandemic disease, but we people are living with our family. We have some time as well here. In other cases, we may not be with the family. We are busy doing some works somewhere there. Many Nepalese people, they are also going abroad in purpose of doing some work. uh, okay, another Meena Pandey also joining. So welcome, Meena Pandey. So here
So
our schedules ourselves. It is about free use of time. One line you need to understand here is writer. The writer advocates for the free use of time. Advocates means, Sapana, what does advocates means? Do you know? Advocates means, what is called advocate?
Reason.
Advocate means, yes, speak,
Focus.
focus, speaks, talks.
focused.
Okay.
Focus.
The writer focuses for the free use of time. People have very busy schedule. In these busy schedule days, people should manage their time properly because life is not for doing all the time work there. Okay, you need to spend some free time with the family, some free time with the parents, some free time with the friends as well. All the time involving in the busy schedule, joining in the work from dawn to dusk, from morning to evening, involving in the work does not value a lot. Does not value a lot. Okay. Sandra, welcome back. I think you get some trouble there, yeah? Now,
Yes, sir.
now it's okay. Okay. So, anyway, please copy that, okay? So, anyway, just coming students, I like to inform you that we are going to start our schedules ourselves. This is also an essay. This essay focuses on about proper use of free
Not free
time.
use of time.
Yes, proper use of time there. Nowadays people have very busy schedules. They don't have any leisure time. All the time they want to involve in the work. They want to earn much more money in their life in order to remain healthy. That is happy there, but they are wrong. According to J. Wal Jasper, focuses that earning all the time money and try to become happy in the future, that is totally wrong because you need to have some free time in the present day so that you can enjoy with your family, so that you can have a time with your friends, so that you can have a free time to observe something there. You know, uh, this essay is related to one poem by W.H. Davies. Have you have you learned one poem by W.H. Davies, Leisure poem? At grade 9
Is
or
it
10? Leisure by W.H. Davies. Have you learned that?
Western?
Very nice poem. That is also
Yes,
talks
study.
about busy life. He says busy life is poor life. Okay. W.H. Davies, he says busy life is poor life. His idea is related to this essay. You know, nowadays people want to become much more busy, but that is not the good one for their life. If you want to enjoy, fully in your life, you should have free use of time as well. We that is please mute that your audio, okay, so that we can listen my voice. So okay, Tapana, you are laughing. Anything there? Okay, okay. Are you getting me? Yes, Susmita, you have just admitted. You know, we discuss a lot about riddles. We discussed 3 riddles. You missed that. Want to look at that riddle?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Anyway, we are starting our schedules ourselves. This is a essay. Please mute your audio there. Okay. We okay. Okay. Uh, in this essay, the writer advocates for the free use of time. Writer,
Free use of time.
please mute your audio. Okay, it is real disturbing.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स म्यूट करो ना सबैले
Mute. Okay, just mute. Okay, now fine. Okay, now fine. Good. So in this essay, our schedules ourselves. Here, schedules means timetable, busy timetable. Ourself means by ourselves. We are making busy by ourselves. So anyway, the writer focuses. So the writer focuses on for the period of time. Most people have such active daily schedule. Active means very busy days. So much full time, that is active life, active daily schedules, that they don't have time to enjoy life fully, because when one people go to work from morning and he return back up to evening, then how can he enjoy in his life? Where is his freedom? Where is his free life? So in this if he or she wants to live a happy life, then he should have spent some free time as well. The essayist J. Wal Jasper focuses on that matter. Nowadays, people have very busy schedules. They have active daily schedules, so they don't have much time to enjoy life fully. Life has become increasingly hurried and stressful due to their business. Busyness means due to their extreme time schedules, their life has become haste and hurry. Always they rush here and there. Look at some workers, look at some bankers. From morning they go to office and they return back up to evening. Where is their free life? Working in the office, that is not their free life. Okay, so if someone wants to live his or her life very happily, what is necessary? Free use of time is necessary. But modern people, the writer focuses on American people. American people, they rush, they wander always from their work to home and work to office there. So they, in these circumstances, what is necessary? Free use of life, free use of time is necessary. If people use free use of time, then their life will be balanced. For their balanced life, What is necessary, Susmita? For the balanced life, what is necessary? Free use of time is necessary. Free use of time is necessary. Life has become increasingly hurried and stressful. Did you understand that line? Life has become increasingly hurried. Hurried means they rush from, that is offices, from home they rush there, no free time there. Stressful means lots of mental burden, mental tension. Stressful means tension there in their mind all the time. You know, so especially the country like in America, what is there? When one worker he leaves for home, he has mental tension in his mind. How he can gear up his company, how he can develop, he can do much more progress for his company. So all the time he has stressful, he has mental burden. So that is not the free use of time. In this 21st century, we should have some period of time so that we can enjoy our life. We can balance in our life. Look at the fourth line. From morning to evening, the person is busy in following his schedule and tired of his work there. Look at that is the line that make us clear in this essay. So every person they go to work from morning to evening. They are so much busy. What is the value of life there? So that's why J. Wall Jasper focuses that busy life is poor life there. Okay, although they on alert, but they can't enjoy fully in their life. What kind of life is that? Do you accept or not? Do you believe with the writer or not? Poor life is busy life. Do you think so? Okay, are you getting me? Okay, that is the essay. Please ask some question. If you ask the question, I will provide the answer. Very interesting will be there. Okay, please ask some question. Did you understand the essay? What does the essay is about? The essay is about free use of time. Modern people they have become so much busy. They have hectic days schedules. They have become so much busy nowadays. So in these busy days, people's life have become stressful. So we should manage their time because our schedules ourselves means our timetable we need to manage ourselves. If we manage our timetable by ourselves, the life will be balanced. If we can't balance time in our life, then life will be unsuccessful. Although he owns a lot, he is the owner of the companies, boss of many workers, but he doesn't have any time to enjoy in his life. Then is his life is successful? No. According to J. Waljasper, says that the person who enjoy in his life free time, he has free time, enjoy his life, that will be the successful life. J. Waljasper says this. Why? Why the writer is saying? Because nowadays in American society, in American circumstances, people they are always haste. Haste means they are always hurry in their work. They run. They are so increasingly hurried and stressful towards their work. They have really hectic daily schedules. Due to that hectic daily schedules, they don't have much time to enjoy life fully. So in these circumstances, the writer is absolutely right. The writer is really expressing true ideas here. Why we can say this? We can say in this way that due to the busy life, people cannot enjoy their life fully. To enjoy their life fully, what should be managed? Time should be managed. How the time should be managed? Time should be managed through making our schedules ourselves, making schedules in very balanced way. So that is the idea the writer wants to convey here. Actually, the writer's scenario is here from USA circumstances, USA society. Many people they involve in their work, they involve in busy schedules, so hectic schedules there. Uh, so they have very few time to enjoy. That is not good one. There is the essay start. Do you have a book? If you have a book, please go in page number 260. There is this essay. Uh, the essay starts like this. Damn, you are 20 minutes, no more like half an hour. they rush as for their watch. Watch for their watch, watch their, means, punctuality there. Look at, we Nepali people, they do not believe in punctuality here. If someone order us to come in 10, we reach there 11, yeah. But in American, they do not do that. They always believe in punctuality. So in these circumstances, a very busy schedule in comparison to Nepal, American people have very busy schedules because they move each and every place in accurate time. That is punctuality. So here, Jay wants to say that every people should have some free time to enjoy. Why the writer is saying this? Because the writer has seen that many people are rushing like a squirrel. They, many people, they are rushing like a squirrel from, from one tree to another tree, from one place to another place. They are rushing like a vehicle, they are rushing like a bike rider from one place to another place. Means they don't have much time to enjoy, they don't have
Much time to enjoy their life.
okay. So that's why the writer is suggesting, the writer is advocating for the free use of time. The point number one shows that the writer advocates for the free use of time, means it can speaks a lot. How it can speak a lot? Because the writer is advocating for the free use of time. The writer is not saying that be busy from morning to evening. The writer is not saying that. The writer is focusing that people have become so much busy. They have hectic life. Although they are very busy, but although they are earning a lot in their busy life, but their life is very miserable. How their life is miserable? Because they can't enjoy the life fully. Okay, freely as well. Yeah, you are right. So that is the concept by J. Waldsper. Any more question? Please ask me.
Excuse me, sir. According to the view of Waldesper,
Yes.
how we can use our free time?
Spending time is depends upon the person. How one person how one person spend his time depends on his own idea. Suppose we have some
Yes.
time, we can give some time to the family as well, some time with the parents as well,